Good afternoon. Today is Thursday, December 22nd, 2022. I am here at Harbortown Marina. And this video is for Fiddler's Green. We're just checking the bottom paint and the two zincs. From what I saw on them, the zincs still look pretty good and pretty strong. So I'm just going to get video of them. As you can see, the zincs look pretty strong, and got a little video of the bottom paint and everything. I'm gonna send this over to Dane and see if he has any notes on it. Thank you for choosing DS Dive.